In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed fonts in PowerPoint so your presentation looks perfect on any computer. If you've ever opened a PowerPoint file on another device and noticed the fonts completely changed, spacing messed up, or slides looking broken, it's usually because the fonts weren't embedded. The good news is, this is very easy to fix, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important setting. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to work with. You can embed fonts in a new presentation or one you've already created. Once your presentation is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will take you into what's called the Backstage view. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu with several options like Home, New, Open, Save, and more. Scroll down in this menu until you see Options at the bottom, and then click on it. This will open the PowerPoint Options window, which is where we can adjust advanced settings for the application. In the PowerPoint Options window, look at the panel on the left side and click on Save. This section controls how your presentations are saved and what additional information is included in the file. Now on the right-hand side, scroll down until you find the section labeled Preserve Fidelity when sharing this presentation. Under this section, you'll see a checkbox that says Embed fonts in the file. Go ahead and check that box. As soon as you check it, you'll notice two additional options become available. The first option is Embed only the characters used in the presentation. This option is best if you want to reduce the file size. PowerPoint will only embed the specific letters and characters that are currently used in your slides. This keeps the file smaller, which is useful if you're emailing it or uploading it somewhere with size limits. However, keep in mind that if someone else needs to edit the presentation and add new text using the same font, they might run into limitations because not all characters are included. The second option is Embed all characters, which is best for editing by other people. This option embeds the entire font set into the presentation file. The file size will be slightly larger, but it ensures that anyone who opens the presentation can edit it freely without font restrictions. If you're sharing the file with colleagues, clients, or teammates who may need to make changes, this is usually the safer choice. Select the option that best fits your needs. If you're unsure, I recommend choosing Embed all characters for maximum compatibility. Once you've made your selection, click OK at the bottom of the PowerPoint Options window to apply the changes. That's it. Your fonts will now be embedded into this presentation file when you save it. To make sure everything is properly embedded, simply save your presentation again. Now when you send the file to someone else or open it on a different computer, the fonts should display exactly as intended, even if that computer doesn't have the fonts installed. Embedding fonts is a small step that makes a huge difference in maintaining a professional look, especially for business presentations, school projects, or client work. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips in software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.